Yes, good evening, dear listeners. This is Tumwebaze Evalisto back here on our platform. So, I have come here for today. Just have something to share with you on this platform. So, for today, I have come to share with you the meaning of digital and analog phones. Which phone is in analog and which phone is in digital? Some of you have been saying that the Mapesa phones belong to analog and the smartphones belong to digital system. So for today we have come to just know which one belongs to this system and which one belongs to this system. So to begin with, we need first to know what is the meaning of the word analog phone and what is the meaning of the word digital phone. An analog phone is the one which makes use of analog technology. What is analog technology? Analog technology is simply a process by which the technology takes audio or video signals and translates it into electronic pulses. It is also known as a plain old telephone service, or in simple terms, ports. These lines are analog support standard phones or fax machines and modems. How about a digital phone? A digital phone is the one that uses technology that breaks an audio or video signals into binary codes. Binary code HHG. A binary code, this comprises of 1S or 0S. What is the meaning of S? It means series. So it comprises of 0 series and 1 series. Once translated into binary code, the signals get transferred into the other end of the device into another device, whether be it a phone, modem, or television. This receiving device takes the binary code and resembles it into original signal, meaning that once received, the other device translates the binary code into the signal from which the code came. That is a reciprocating action, and sends it back to the other code or to the other end where it is going or where it is being received. While analog technology ensures that the user is paying substantially less than if he were to use a digital phone, the digital provides a greater level of security when engaged in conversation. What does this mean? This means that the binary code can easily set up an encryption while transmitting to ensure that your conversation is not being followed by an outside ear. For example, if I can try to explain this one. When you are making a phone call or when you are speaking on a phone, the waves over amayengo coming from the phone to the cellular phone towers, or what we can call the emrongote, move in analog way or analog form, and the voices which are spoken is captured in a digital format, and the images also are kept in digital format. Ntibwoyogerera ku simu eddoboozi lyo likwatibwa mu ngero yaki? Likwatibwa mu ngero ya digital format. Naye amayengo g'eddoboozi lyo gakyusibwa negasindikibwa era emirongooti in form of the analog way. So those who have been telling their friends that for you still have the Mapesa phone, so it means that you are still in analog form. That's not the case. Meaning that all phones, they are in hybrid format. They belong to both analog format and the digital format. So you should stop that case of saying that for you are still in analog form and for you are still in digital form. So that's what I wanted to share with you for today. Thank you for listening, my dear listeners. Follow me, subscribe to give me power of keeping on researching for you as we move together, teach each other. Stay blessed. Have a good day.